So here I am. Today, it's a little bit late. It's already close to 4 p.m. and I don't have much time to work, but I just wanted to come out here and assess the situation. Oops. So I think I'm going to start working in the back area here today. It's really warm. I'm just hoping that I won't encounter anything like snakes. This is the backyard, and I think that's the area I came last time and thought would be a perfect space to set up a little hut. And it looks like there used to be a barn type of structure here. Now it's all fallen down. Yeah, but maybe I could use some of the wood, or I don't know, maybe something I could reuse, as some of you have suggested in the comments. Yeah. So I have to figure out the area I can have without any obstacles like trees in the middle. So it's going to be, I guess, around this area. So let me just start cutting off these overgrown bamboos and whatever the trees they are. I'm trying to find a place where I can put this camera. So let's get started with this area. So these are bamboos, and the regular scissors won't work. It has to be cut like one by one, unless you have a very strong, it's gonna take time, but that's okay. As long as I do this by myself, it's free labor. It's okay. Yeah. It's a lot easier than the front yard. You know, the area in front of the house. It's not that dense. They are just bamboos are here and there. I just cut them off one by one. Oof. Hee. It's really warm today. It almost feels like summer. So looking at the area, I think this is the biggest chunk of land we can use for a little house or storage or whatever hut base for my business here. And then also here I just worked on. I think it's gonna turn out okay. Yeah. I just did this much in less than 1 hour. It's not as hard as I thought it was going to be. So thing is, I don't have a big chunk of time I can use to just keep working on this project. I have to use a little chunk of time here and there between all other things I need to take care of. But yeah, as long as I stay healthy and strong and determined, I am sure it's gonna turn out okay. Yeah. Okay. It's time to hit the road before boards start coming out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.